We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up COIN, Coinbase stock. You started us off right on the month 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So we're gonna start off. We can start off with this low here. So everything on the right side is red line. We can stop somewhere here. So price action could be anywhere in the midpoint of the whole market. So what's going on? We can figure out what's here is the highs, okay? And also we can see clearly down here, we have an area of low. So let's start off in this first box, in this search section over here to see what's going on. Okay, so we can clearly see the price came down from somewhere, so it hit our lowest point in the market. So once the market got here, we can clearly see a pattern. It's a double bottom. So it's that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retested in this market here. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice. You can see the wick. So really market just pushed up once from that area. And then once we got in that area for that one push up, this market pushed that market. So this area here pushed that market down back to that midpoint. Because if you think about the market being at a low, this would be the high. And then we have a low here, which we already have the red line. But then the last thing we missed is that midpoint. Okay, so what's happening in this area here? We got about what, two spikes up to the top, double retest. So double top of the retest, and the market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, market pushed down 3 times. 2 spikes down to the bottom. You got that first leg, second leg, third leg. The market pushed up. Look like a decline W in this area here. Push that market up how many times? One, and it probably did like a W incline W, and it pushed up twice. And after that, the market couldn't break. So I'm going to discuss this. I'm going to go back and discuss this pattern in a second. Let's work our way backwards again, because it was something else I left off. So we got that first, second, third, fourth retest. So nope. Okay, never mind. All right, let's get back to business. All right, so what we have here is that double top. So the market pushed up once, came back to retest an incline, pushed up twice, and then dropped back down. But if you go down a lower time frame, you'll probably see a triple top or quadruple top. It's 2 spikes on this side to the low and 2 spikes on this side to that high. So probably a quadruple. You probably see 2 double tops on the left hand side, a W working its way up, and 2 double tops on the top and the right hand side. So altogether, that would be like 4 pushes to the top. Market couldn't break. Overall, 2 pushes to the top. 1, 2, double top. Market pushed down how many times? Once, twice, 3, 4. After about 3 to 4, you don't have to keep counting anymore, because that means something's going on in the market. So that means there's an area of consolidation here. So that means there's a pattern that formed itself. What pattern it formed? A W. At that first leg coming down with the reds, second leg with the blue, third leg dropping back down to that red. So it's a big spike up right here. So let me do it again. At that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. So that third and fourth leg was in that doji. And once it came out, market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times. So we have another pattern here. 3 pushes to the top with the retest at the end. So 1, 2, 3. What pattern is that? Triple top and a retest. When we go down a lower time frame, it probably just be like 5 pushes to the top, or maybe a quadruple top. Here is 3 pushes to the top, and retest, market pushed down once at that blue doji, market pushed down twice, came back up, market pushed down 3 times in this area here. So that's cap. Okay, so we can see that market return back to where? The low. Once the market returned back to the low, the pattern here, so it went into some type of consolidation. What's the pattern? Very easy, single bottom. Market pushed down once, came right back up. After the single bottom, what we got? Retest, market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, market pushed up 4, cap. Okay, we got 4 pushes to the top. That is done. That is no more. Okay, so the market went back up to our midpoint line. So when it went back up to our midpoint line, what pattern